Like, you can flap like a bird. It doesn't matter. In your
I
private
have clients
space,
that do it.
I've done it.
Yeah.
But,
Wall sits.
what did you say?
Wall sits.
Huh? What?
Wall sits.
What is a wall sit?
You've never seen a wall sit.
I've seen a walrus. Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Why did I say collective?
Did you? I didn't notice. I don't pay attention to everything.
I literally said that is not true. I did say collective. I don't know why.
Collective?
It's like a
tick you have.
No,
You
well, it is a
guys,
tick.
Both my cats are roaming around, just to let you know.
Maybe it was Vocal Lab,
Vocal Lib and that.
Vocal Lab Catlactive.
Oh,
that's stupid.
Catlactive. We have Nana. If you see a short-haired girl go by, she just said hello. That's her. Nana. And then we have Misi, who is sitting quietly like a queen next to Jason.
So personality they find, right?
Yeah, truly.
So to that point, normally have the little cat on the thing, and it wasn't here, so we're like, let's let the real cats in.
Yeah, let's let them in. They're so chill and amazing. We've had them for forever. But we are going back to one of our main girls, Katrina Velarde, which I'm...
Velarde!
Yes.
Do you know that song?
No. Yes, I do.
Carlos does.
Yes, I do. It's Dean
Sing
Martin,
it, Carlos.
Right? Dean Martin?
Yes. Dean Martin sang it, right?
You sing it.
Velarde. Yeah.
Okay, but I want to touch on something. We got some comments in our last Katrina Velarde video that she did, I Surrender. Someone commented that she had done that recently after her husband of only 3 months had passed, and I was so moved. Like, it brought me to tears reading that comment and just thinking about the heartache that this young woman has endured and the performance. And it made me even think about the song as she was singing I Surrender. So just, if y'all have not seen that reaction, go watch that.
Go watch, that's a really good one.
You have to see her singing this because the song, for one thing, is just outstanding, but knowing that it was so soon after such a hard tragedy that I could only imagine, it could bring me to tears thinking about what a strong woman and real artist to be able to show up and let the tragedy show through her voice and still command such emotion and control. So I've always loved her, but she leveled up after that too, of just
that's really
being
good story.
So vulnerable and strong there. So thank you for commenting that so we could know that was what was happening in her life.
Yeah, which is a great point. We love your comments.
Yeah, we love your comments.
We love your subscriptions.
Yes, subscribe if you're new. Check it out.
Hit the button. We love having you along for the journey.
We both have cats on the side.
We have a lot of fun here at the Cat Lab Collective.
Cat Lab.
And we love your comments. We love you sharing it with your friends and
Facebook, Patreon.
Join us on that Patreon, guys. We do some cool stuff on there.
Follow us on our Instagram. I almost said Twitter because we mentioned that in a video before, but we don't have tweet. Twitter.
I will not allow Katie to have Twitter.
It's only because I would do videos like crazy. I would just reshare everything.
Yes. That and other things. But anyway.
Oh my God.
Hey, let's get to this video. This is well, we're going to watch her sing I Want to Know What Love Is.
Oh my gosh, I
love
song. This song.
Classic song. And this
and I bet she could tell you.
This is from the One Take cover session. So
One Take.
One Take, baby. The One Take
singers
wonder.
Don't do this anymore.
No, they
don't do this.
Guess what else singers don't do? Take vocal lessons by and large.
They really don't. Guys, here's the thing. Think of your favorite athlete. Think of your favorites, NFL, NBA, soccer, whatever it is. They train daily, weekly,
with multiple coaches.
Because they
multiple coaches.
Yeah. Singers don't. And then they fatigue, and then their career dies.
Pride and ego.
Yep.
And I have a theory that a lot of us in music, especially when we first start out, we operate from a theory or a place of want and need instead of a place of a place of like prosperity and obtaining greatness.
Yeah.
And that affects everything.
Totally.
Like if you walk around just saying I can't afford to do this, you're not going to be able to afford anything.
Yeah.
Right? I really believe that.
I do too.
So I think that's a big part of it too. But little side note, you all should be taking voice lessons. If you don't have to work with us, you should, but you don't have to. Just find a great
other coaches that we can refer you to as well.
Totally. And there are a lot of great coaches around the world. There are several great coaches. There are several. There's not a lot. Not a lot. There's a lot of bad ones.
I could put them in two hands.
A lot of bad ones, yes.
Unfortunately,
And guess what? There's a lot of people doing reaction videos who call themselves vocal coaches who aren't. But now I'm getting on a soapbox and don't make me slap Katie's leg.
Oh my gosh,
because I will.
And so
she's bare-legged tonight.
I am bare-legged tonight.
You know what I'm saying? Hey, about that, baby. Come on.
Okay.
Hey, cheers to that. Hey, all right, we're getting right here. We're going to go. I want to know what love is. Come on, Katrina, take us home.
Katrina Velarde.
I like how she says her name. Katrina. Katrina. I can't do that. Katrina. Carlos, say it. Katrina. Thank you. That's so nice.
She's so cute.
So cute.
She's a beautiful smile too.
Well, also this camera's right on her face, and she has not one blemish.
No, don't zoom up, Carlos.
Carlos, do not zoom. Oh, we like that low girl. Come on, don't we?
Look at her nails for a second.
Oh wow.
Butterflies.
They're.
But I want her to move the phone.
That was nice. I feel like she's just playing with us right now.
She
right?
is. Oh, that low.
That makes you feel it in places. You know what I'm saying?
Places.
Oh.
Just standing down there.
You felt that. You felt that.
Right?
Yeah, you feel it.
I do.
You a little squeak on that?
Ooh, I like that.
Like
One take.
Instantaneous.
One take.
Crazy.
She's literally skirting over that. Okay.
Okay. That was nutty ending.
Oh,
that was a nutty ending. Even the cats were like impressed.
They were very impressed. Nana, what do you think?
Oh, well.
Loves it.
That was crazy.
That was insane.
Yeah.
So the control. Sorry, we have gnats in here. Little flies going around. The control was insane.
Insane.
But I do love how she waited for the whistle towards the end, because again, whistle is incredible, right? It can be overdone when someone's able to do it.
Yeah.
But she also has such a clean, crisp whistle.
Yes.
Some have that airy light where they try to be a Mariah or Ariana and they're just not. And she just, man, she owns her voice so much.
She does, and it's instantaneous how she can just pop into that whistle.
Yeah, oh.
You know, I mean, you don't even
She was running
through it. I know. But you don't see any, like, you know, a lot of times a singer will go for a higher note or go into whistle or something. You'll see such drama in their, like, body or face to try to hit it. She just went there. Yeah. That's what's so shocking to me. Just went there.
Look at that smile.
Also, her little hand thing, it's very synonymous with who? Who do you think of?
Oh, Christina Aguilera.
Absolutely, all day long.
Yeah.
But I use that analogy in lessons a lot because people in voice lessons, if you've never had one with like a really
look with us.
Yeah. Yeah, just say that.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of people are not intimidated, but they can be like, you know, a little shy or bashful to do all the goofy gestures.
Totally.
I was too. I still am sometimes.
Yeah.
You do feel awkward and goofy, but those help you. That helped her because the voice being completely abstract, something we can't really, again, touch, see, or feel, to do any kind of little thing like that can give you something tangible to wrap your mind around so you land it. And she did it like a pro.
She did. It touches on the mental part of singing, right?
It does.
It takes...
sorry.
Slapping me.
And when you said mental, I just thought of you.
Oh my gosh. Y'all see the hate I'm getting over
that's
here?
not hate. You're smart.
Oh my gosh. Like it's hard. But no, sometimes it's so good to do what Jason was saying, do these gestures because then it takes your mind off of this as you're singing and you're thinking about what you're doing.
Yeah, in fact, I would say if you're in your room trying to learn a song from whoever, right? From Ariana, Olivia, Carrie Underwood, whoever. Just go to the craziest places as you try to sing it. Like, you can flap like a bird. It doesn't matter. In your private space.
Do it.
I've done it.
Yeah. Wall sits.
What did you say?
Wall sits.
Huh? What?
Wall sits.
What is a wall sit?
You've never seen a wall sit.
I've seen a walrus.
Do we need to do a wall sit? You've never seen hold this. I will go to the door.
What is a wall sit?
Okay. Come. Don't mind the...
Oh my gosh, we've never done this. A wall sit.
A wall sit.
That's 2 words, not one.
Oh
you said a wall sit like it was a bird or an animal.
You get this and you're like, you know, getting into all this stuff, right?
Yeah, that's right.
And
heels. Give me your heels. Wall sits. Oh yes, I make people do wall sits.
Say that? Wall
Well,
sits.
you made it sound like it was one word. Wall sits.
Oh my gosh.
Like a waltz.
I'm so out of breath after
Oh my
that.
gosh.
I don't think it breathes. But it takes the it shuts off the singing part of your brain, right?
Yes,
and
that's
just
the
goes
point.
into the other muscular part, I guess. I don't know that you're
It just moves
focusing
you
on the
into
muscle.
action.
Yeah.
It moves you into action.
Perfect way to say it.
Right. Yes. Thank you.
Wow, really good wisdom and input there.
Yes, this was a not only great reaction, it was a little fun.
It was a little fun.
But
Y'all
it was
got to see a little bit more of my studio.
Very informative. And if the camera had been a different angle, they'd see a lot more than the wall sit. You know what I'm saying?
Jason. Oh my gosh.
Thank you, Skims.
This
is why we do this.
This is why we do it. Can I say that?
Yeah.
YouTube
I guess. I don't know.
Censored.
Who knows? Hey guys, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Wall Sits Collective.
Careful, these are really nice glasses.
Oh, wow. I'll buy you more.